Moment of truth. Is this car dead? Oh, it's alive, baby. Today we have some big news. I'm really not gonna get too into it because we don't have a lot of time. We just gotta start working on this car, but we got a new project car on the channel. It's not my car, and you guys are probably thinking like, I want a drift car. I'm gonna drift the BRZ. I'm not getting another project. This isn't my car. This is actually Amanda's car. Amanda went ahead and bought a car, what, 2 nights ago? Yeah. 2 nights ago. This is our first time actually like seeing it in the daylight, believe it or not, but today we just have to get started on it, and we're gonna start tearing this thing down and start cleaning it up because right now it looks kind of like a mess. The front end's a little messed up. This car needs a little love, but it runs, it drives, it needs maintenance work, and it just needs to be cleaned up because the inside is, yeah, you guys can see it. The inside has years and years of just cust on it, and look at that. That is just nasty, dude. I don't know how the previous owner could live in this filth, but this car is just disgusting on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead, clean it up, and we also have to teach her stick, by the way. She barely knows stick, by the way. Just throwing it out there. 350 is manual, but like I said, we're not gonna get too into it today. Let's go ahead, get it pulled into the garage, and let's get cracking. We got this car without a shift knob, right? But we had to make it work. We had to take it out for a test drive. So we threw a 17 mil socket on it for the shift knob. We got a lug nut stuck in it, and we were hoping that it would just thread on, but it didn't thread on. But dude, this makes for a neat shift knob on the go. Any words for the boys? Because you're now the proud owner of a 350, and this project car runs. It rolled into the garage running. Unlike almost every single project car we've had in the past. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little rundown of this car. I'm not gonna go too deep into it because honestly, we don't even know about it. We checked it out for probably an hour in the dark. This is a 2003 Nissan 350Z. 2004 Nissan 350Z. It has been in an accident. You guys can tell from the hood. This isn't the stock bumper, so the hood doesn't latch anymore, so we need a hood. But the car runs, the car drives. We needed to put in a new battery because before, every time we needed to start this car, we had to jump start it. Now with the new battery, it starts up right away. This car is a little weird on idle, so we have to go ahead and do all the maintenance work on it. I have a feeling the mass airflow sensor might need to be cleaned out or changed, but we're gonna go ahead maybe tomorrow and do all the maintenance work on this. Today we're gonna go ahead and clean the inside of the car because the inside is absolutely filthy. It's filled with cobwebs. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there's a cobweb right there. I literally don't even understand how it could be this dirty. Like, this guy must have daily driven it and not gave a shat about the car. Are you actually gonna build it? Are you gonna do the work?
I'll help.
You're gonna help? All right, there we go. I'm excited. I always wanted a 350, and now we got a 350 in the garage next to the BRZ. Should we pull the BRZ out? I want this door dinging the BRZ. Let's see if we, oh, never mind. I totally forgot. This door doesn't open. So we don't even have to worry about this thing dinging. This door actually broke on the test drive. It was like, this door worked perfectly fine, and then he yanked it too hard and then broke it. And then I talked him down on the price with that. I was like, dude, you just broke the door in front of me. So we went ahead, rented out the this carpet cleaner from Home Depot. We did this for the Civic as well. We're gonna do it for the 350. We're gonna clean the absolute crap out of the 350. And I think that's it. Got all the little plastic pieces out of the car. or out of the trunk at least, what we're gonna do is deep clean the crap out of this car. So Amanda's going ahead and cleaning up all the plastics with some degreaser. I'm gonna take the vacuum everything up, then we're gonna go ahead and degrease everything, and then we're gonna like nicely clean everything. Like, I want this car to be super, super clean. I know Amanda does too. She's like a clean freak. This car's disgusting. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, how custy is this car?
11.
11?
There's cobwebs and spider webs.
It's disgusting. So we're gonna go ahead, clean it up, and make it look like a new car. Like, we don't want this car to smell. We don't want it to look bad at all. Like, we're gonna give this whole car a new refresh. So, taking out all the plastics, cleaning everything up, and then we're gonna put it back in. Day number 2 of decontaminating decontaminating the Z. Right now, Amanda is finishing off with cleaning off the driver's side of the dash. Yesterday, I went ahead, I finished cleaning all the carpets. She finished cleaning everything that was in the trunk, and I finished most of the plastics here. Now, all we're doing so far is degreasing. She's finishing degreasing the driver's side panel, and then we're gonna degrease right over here too. We're hitting it with some purple power just to get all the dirt and grime off. Once we do that, we're gonna put the interior back together because right now it is in total pieces. And then once it's put all back together, then we're gonna hit it with some actual interior cleaner and then some interior shine to make it look good. We're not putting the stock seats back in. I mean, you guys can probably guess why. All of this is going back in except for the seats.
A few moments later.
Pretty much the whole interior is back in. We have a few more things that have to go in the front. I still have to go over everything one more time to make it nice and shiny and clean. But Amanda brought up a good point. She hasn't even started her car yet. Give it gas, give it a little gas, give it a little gas. I forgot to tell you guys, it doesn't have an exhaust, so it's kind of loud. Right now the car is idling kind of weird. We got to do full maintenance work on it. We have to clean out the map sensor, do an oil change, cool and flush, all that good stuff. Right now it's idling a little weird. You guys can kind of hear it. What if you sound like what? Give it gas, get gas, 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 gas. We're just using McGuire's interior cleaner. We're gonna clean the whole interior with that, and after we get done with that, we're gonna go ahead and use this trim restore, this back to black from Mother's. It gives all the plastic in the car a deeper black shine. It's gonna make it look awesome. So we're gonna clean it one time with that, and then shine it off with this, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Just finished shining up the entire interior. Trunk is done. Inside of the car is done. Like I said, we're not going to put the seats in right away. We're going to wait on that a little bit. Those seats are definitely not going back in. Those are crusty. This little back to black thing works like magic, dude. It made everything a lot shinier. Like, you can even say, like, it looks a lot cleaner than before.
It looks way better before.
This doesn't look like the car we got. Like, I mean, granted, like, there's still little things dirty, like, around there, which we're going to get to. But the inside is so much cleaner, dude. That is so clean. We do need some interior parts like the airbag for the steering wheel and the dash cover for the passenger side. Next time we work on the car, I want to get the maintenance done on this, like oil changes, coolant flush, all that good stuff. And I also want to clean the outside of the car because outside this car is filthy. We're gonna transform this car. This car is gonna be a huge transformation, so take a good look at it, boys. That's gonna be it today. I'm gonna pull this car out and I'm gonna start working on the Civic. The serpentine belt's gone, so I have to replace that. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.